Anyway, you should stop making a rape joke. You know, you do not know what you're doing to Shania Kiana, um, Teacher Kel Pabelo, Wawel Romero, and even the other people. You harass them. Me, I never want to say about sexual harassment. Oh, because I know Carl Bidus implicated me that I was, what is it? He makes a Facebook account, Julio Coronel. And they said to me I am making a sexual harassment of my friends of Miss Earth. For right now, I never make sexual harassment about my friends from Miss Earth. I learn how to communicate them. I talk to them in TikTok live. First time I met them, I do not want to make a sexual harassment. But this Paulo Cruzada, anyway, you have to stop what you're doing to Wawel Romero and also Shania Kiana and even the other people, even Drita Ziri, Mina Suchoy, Teacher Marisa, Teacher May, and even Teacher Evelyn and Teacher Chris and Teacher Mirna. Oh, you do not know who are they. First of all, you harass Teacher Evelyn. I am saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, don't make a harassment. Like me, I'm not making sexual harassment. You don't really know what is an anti-safe space act. And all I could say, Mr. Paulo Cruzada, learn about your lesson in your past. Learn your consequences. Remember that. Me, I don't want too much sexual harassment. When I was told by David Gill, there is Anti-Safe Space Act. Oh, that's called the Bawal na Bastos, which was signed by Risa Ontiveros. Just remember, Paulo Cruzada, that Anti-Safe Space Act, that was a law which was signed by Rodrigo Duterte. You have to respect women. Me, I respect women too. Oh. I never bash Teacher Kel like this. Oh, that is Anti-Safe Space Act. I call her, you're so beautiful, you're so pretty. Oh, I never say that bashing words. Oh. I just say to my comments in Instagram, I commented Natalie Pushkinkova, you're so gorgeous, you're so beautiful. Oh, I never say that negatives. I never want to say bashing those words against her. You, Paulo Cruzada, you better to stop what you're bashing at Wawel Romero. Oh, for me, I just commented to Wawel Romero in Instagram. I said to her, you're so pretty, or you're so beautiful. Oh, I never say that bashing. You know, Paulo Cruzada, this is a lesson for you. Make positive, not full of negatives. You know, your parents had called you a special child because, you know, your mother says to you, oh, when she told by Shania Kiana said to me, his mother told me that Paulo Cruzada is a special child. You should never bash anybody. And I say again, Paulo Cruzada, I just want to say to you, there is a Bawal na Bastos Act that was a part of the law. I'm saying again, Paulo Cruzada, wag kang maging bastos. Oh, that's what I said. You know, for me, like I said, you should never harass anybody. You should never be turned into like this. First of all, you harass Joseph Maspinas. You harass Sophia Ahmad Sultan and Josh Gozo. Oh, what does Josh Gozo said? He has a airsoft gun, shotgun. What he said to me? That shotgun, pwede ko barilin ang ulo ni Paulo Cruzada, sabog ang muka. Oh, remember that. You should never harass anybody. Me, I don't want too much harassment. I don't want too much negatives. I am saying to you, Mr. Paulo Cruzada, over the years and over the past, you should never harass and everyone. Mrs. Marian Cruzada, if you're watching this, your son needs discipline. Your son needs to go to therapy.